TruTourniquet. The TruTourniquet has been designed to practice massive hemorrhage control in lower extremity trauma. The model represents the weight, size, and movement of a right leg involved in a traumatic amputation, featuring one bleeding point and a fractured femur. Users can simulate a massive hemorrhage when the product is connected to the pressurized blood supply, and visual feedback is provided when the correct tourniquet force has been applied. TruTourniquet facilitates over 40,000 tourniquet applications without fail, and initial setup time is less than 10 minutes. And the stump can be detached from the base to use in a non-classroom environment. This model comes with a 1-year warranty as standard. For more information or to speak with a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com or call 4428-388-2714.